Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, introduce my name is Loren and this is my friend.
My name is Rizky Febrian.
My name is Lily Hartono.
We are from the group A. We will going to make the fried rice. The material and the tools: rice, shallot, chili, eggs, sausage, salt, soy sauce, oil, pan, and spatula. To make: cut onions, chili, and sausage. Pour oil into the pan. Turn on the stove. Pour the onion, chili, and sausage.
Wow, ngetik.
Then stir. Then stir. Our rice. After that, pour the soy sauce. When it is done, pour the fried rice on the plate. Pour oil into the pan. Turn on the stove. To break the egg.
Oh iya deh. Shush.
It on a plate.